What's up, YouTube? This is the Passive Income Trucker coming back at you with more videos about stocks, cryptos, and passive income. Thanks for watching. Thanks for go ahead and give me that LNS special, the like and subscribe. If you need to, go ahead and hit that pause button so you can read this disclaimer in your spare time. Let's get into the reason for today's video. Today we're going to be going back to our ClickBank series. I might just call it ClickBank into profits. Today we on day number 9. I already sent my emails. I sent them earlier today because I'm back driving. I didn't really have a chance to stop and record because I had to drive to try to get my load where I was trying to get it. So anyway, I've already sent my emails for the day. So let's go ahead and check on those emails and the ClickBank to see if we made any sales today. I'm just going to go to the first one, and that's it. Just to make this a short video, just kind of a quick update. So you can log in. You can see that the let's see, go down. We can see that an email was sent today, 4/13. So far today, we've got 500 open the email, only 8 clicked the link, which is a 2% open rate, and that was didn't really have the time, but it was earlier today. So a lot of times you can send out when you get so many emails on the list from this particular system from My Lead Gen Secret, you can send out a list. You can send out a email, and people will still be clicking on your link like a week or two later, even after you send that load. That's how many emails you can have on your list at a time. But this particular email was sent out, 500 open. See, this one from the other day, as you can see, we're getting people to open the emails. The more people you send out to, the more opens you'll get. This was 1,700. The most we've gotten so far is 2,600. 15, 19, 14, 17. So this one is still going. But pretty much all of these are still going. There's probably it's in their inbox. They're just not clicking on them right away. But you're more likely never going to get a 100% open rate. So people may click on it later down the line. Let's click on the stats. And again, this is just one out of the 5 accounts that I have. And perfect timing, yes. Shows the name of the title of the email. 25,000 emails were sent. And so far, 500 have opened. So the more emails I get, the more opens I get, the more clicks I'm going to get. So as you can see right now, we've had 200 clicks, 255, 109, 123, 113. So far, we only have 8 today, which have clicked on the link. So let's go ahead and click back to see if we have anything going on, which I probably not so far. This is pretty much a process that's going to take a while to get some sales. So it's not going to be, this is something you can't rush. You just got to build up this is pretty much a way to build up your email list, where you can build up your email list, and eventually you'll start getting sales if you stick with the process long enough. Let's click in, log in. We got no sales so far. So this is a combine of both the accounts I have, both ClickBank accounts. Let's go ahead and click on the account here. Wait for it. Now let's see if let me see if any other offers are up right now, or is those only offers that are the highest as far as make money online. And also I can show you guys a little something. Let's see. E-business and marketing. We're going to do it by Gravity. Click on Gravity. And this Gravity score, this is how many sales has been on this particular offer. So this one is the top one as far as making money online in this particular category that we're in. So get paid to use Facebook, Twitter, and YouTube. That's a Gravity score. This one has 112. This is not bad as well, but it's a little higher as far as pay. This one has close to 198, which is not bad. Write app reviews, get paid to review apps on your phone, which is $50. This one has 82, which is still not bad. Click Wealth System, 21 biz app. With a lot of these offers, what you want to do if you were going to promote these is you would click on them. I'll click on this one so you can go to the website and see what the offer looks like and see if it's something that you think someone would buy. Give me 5 minutes and I'll show you how you can generate your first paycheck online. Let's see. This is something you just go back and watch the video and see if it's something that you would be interested in promoting to your particular audience. Press leave. And normally the first page or the first 2 pages you can find offers that you can promote. I've heard about the Perpetual Income 365, but this one is pretty high, so I wouldn't promote that one off the top. I'll wait till I build my list up a lot bigger before I promote that one with the bigger offer. But I mean, it's up to you. If you have your own list, you can promote it how you want. But I would probably promote like something smaller, so I can start getting the sales and getting to the profits. Scribble is 62, #1 ebook creator. This will probably be a smaller audience, but of course, you know, this one is similar to some of the ones at the top. Paid online writing jobs, get paid to do simple writing jobs. This one has a 54 gravity score. It looks like at the end of the first page, it's not going to be any more on the second page. Turn text to speech. They have AI for that, so I'm not sure what that is. The 12-minute affiliate system, that's 252 average. Gravity score 35. Trending in 22. Work from home online. That one probably wouldn't be bad, but it's paying $12 as the average conversion rate. So more than likely, the first 4 or 5 also will be something that you would be interested in promoting. Now let's go down here and check on the clicks for today. And also, what also happens is you get clicks from the emails that I sent out today. I'll still be getting clicks tomorrow from the emails that I sent today. And the email I send tomorrow, I'll be getting clicks from that day as well, plus the next day. So you're continuously getting clicks on your link. So far we have close to 1,700 hops, and we have 560 order form impressions. We have 3 order form impressions from that, which that seems like it's stuck right there. I've been on 3 for a while, so just waiting for these order form impressions to go up, but that seems to be stuck on 3 for me. But that's it, guys. I mean, no sales today. Should be having. I'm still looking forward to the day that I get the sales. It's just not right now. So today we're still at 0, and we're still negative 270. That's it, guys. Thanks for watching this video. Enjoy the rest of your day.